Toshiba's eBridge Plus for OneDrive for Business app allows you to digitize documents at high speed and save them in your OneDrive for Business storage space so you can easily print, store, or share documents in a few simple steps. In order to use the app, you will need to have an Office 365 account. Once your account is ready, you can log into the app from the Toshiba device in order to access your documents. Signing in is simple and very similar to how you would sign in to OneDrive for Business from your computer. For convenience, the administrator can set up users with a PIN or card, which can be used to sign in, removing the need to type in the full email address and the password for your OneDrive for Business account. Once you log in to the Toshiba OneDrive for Business app, you can scan your documents to the desired folder. You'll also be able to browse through the other folders that already exist. You will be able to both scan and print from Toshiba's eBridge Plus for OneDrive for Business app. For each document, you can scan, store, and change the preferences. You can rename the scanned document. Change the color mode. Select if you would like to scan the document as one- or two-sided. Change the resolution of the scan. And change the file format. If the machine is equipped with the OCR enabler, you can also scan to searchable PDF, Word, and Excel. The preview function allows you to preview the scanned document. Once the documents are stored, you can print them directly from the Toshiba device from the eBridge Plus app. Not only can you access the scanned documents from the Toshiba device, but you'll also be able to access and print the documents that already exist in the OneDrive for Business folders. Like scanning, you can change the preferences of your document before you print. Specify how many sets you would like. Select the color mode. Choose one-sided or two-sided printing. Select the staple or hole punch finishing option, and adjust the paper size. Once the preferences have been set, the document is ready to print. When you have finished using the OneDrive for Business app on the Toshiba device, you should sign out so the device is ready for the next user. Documents that are scanned via Toshiba's eBridge Plus for OneDrive for Business app can also be accessed from your OneDrive storage. You will also be able to access your documents from other mobile devices, if signed in with the same user account as the one used when logging in via the Toshiba app.